How to access your digital downloads. First, you'll have to open the PDF that you were sent. It will look something like this. At the bottom, it says, click here to gain access to all your downloads. It will bring you to the Google Drive. The first file will be the instruction guide. So if we click that, it will open the instruction guide that is very useful to help you with creating your balloon mosaic. It looks something like this. It provides all the supplies needed, the instructions. There's an appendix that's very important that will help you understand how to lay out each of the pages. It's important to note that the pages aren't numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. It's labeled identifying the row and the column to lay out each of the pages to make it really simple. Also, I have some tips that you should definitely read, and I have a video that you can watch, especially if you're a visual learner. You can click all 3 of these videos to watch, as well as a shopping list. I provided some links to the foam board, the glue dots, electric scissors, different things you may want to purchase off of Amazon or anywhere else. And then I have a monthly giveaway. You can read it if you're interested in entering. So that's just the instruction guide. If you would like to download it, you can click this download button here. It's a down pointing arrow, and that'll download it onto your computer. But where people have been having some troubles is with downloading the actual templates. So let's say we want to download the letter P in 3 feet. So you will double click on this folder labeled letter A to Z outline 3 feet, and it's a zip file. So we click there. Sorry, my computer's a bit slow. And now you will see all the different letters. And as I said, we're looking for a letter P. So you may try and click here, but then it says copy file name. Instead, what you have to do, because you did purchase a bundle to have all the different letters and or numbers, you have to click the download button found here in the top right corner. It's the down pointing arrow, and this will download everything, all the different templates onto your computer. So once you do that, you can go into your computer and find where it was downloaded and open that particular file that you need. So if you have any questions, please get in touch, but there you have it. This is as simple as it is to access your instruction guide and all the different templates and the different sizes.